Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this awesome IKEA Marius Stool hack. For this DIY project, you're going to need the Marius Stool from IKEA, some scissors, some Rustoleum metallic paint. I got this in gold. And lastly, you're going to want a pillow with a zipper. The next step is to put the legs together and spray paint this outdoors. Now you're going to want to wait 24 hours to make sure that the spray paint is dry before doing the rest of this project. For this next step, we're going to take our pillow and we're basically going to put that plate from the top part of the chair into the pillow. So you'll see what I'm doing here. I'm just going to slide it right inside the pillow. For this next step, I'm going to feel for the pegs that attach to the legs of the chair, and I'm going to use my scissors to cut holes into the pillowcase. And now this is the finished product. This stool is perfect to go into my beauty room as it went with all my decor. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I have so many DIY projects coming up. I can't wait to show you. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!